get some fat cash.
What's up with you two? It's your boy P, back with another one, you feel me? But yeah, man, as y'all remember the last video I told you, man, my fold didn't feel right. Woo. But, you know what I'm saying, we finally got that problem solved, you feel me? Thanks to one of my subscribers, he told me that, you know, his jump was doing the same thing. And one of his A-arms was, not A-arm, but steering stem was kind of bent, but he couldn't tell. So I went and bought a new steering stem to see if that was it. Come to find out, that was exactly what was wrong with it. My steering stem was kind of bent. You can't really tell, but it's bent. But anyway, besides all that, man, finna do a quick look, clean up, little wash up, cause you know, been dirty for a while. She begging for a clean. You know, I'm gonna give y'all a quick look, you know what I'm saying, ride around the neighborhood or whatever. I'm gonna give y'all one starting off, and I'm gonna give y'all one when he finish. And besides all that, man, y'all stay tuned to the video. Like, comment, subscribe, man. Turn on post notification. Y'all know what's going on. Straight bangers out 2023. You feel me? But you might making a nigga laugh and stuff. But yeah, man, besides all that, yeah, man, y'all stay tuned, man. Seem pretty good to me. I'm trying to see something rattling on it.
Wow.
Like
your fender gonna be rattling.
yeah, they were rattling, but they about it. Besides that, it good.
So it sound like it's
Mm-hmm.
patting it,
And
ain't it? Yeah, mine sound like
besides that, straight 8. You feel me?
in your head like
In there like somewhere.
in your head like this too.
Yeah, they probably was ticking too. But y'all see though, man. Yeah, man. Y'all see, he give me a look pressure-wise, you know what I'm saying? Get all that dirt off of it. You know it's gonna be kind of hard to get off, but you know. Yeah, man. In the beginning of y'all video, man, them 8 ones, I recommend getting 8 ones, like extended 8 ones, because when I say that junk get sideways, I mean that junk get sideways. I mean it get nasty, I promise you. You feel me? I'm gonna have to scratch the back. Well, not scratch the back out, but by the little bar, extended bar at the back. Cause as y'all can see, it kind of look a little funny because it's sitting so wide in front. Plus I had put the lowering link on it or whatever. So y'all see it look good. You know what I'm saying? Yeah.
Nigga, what?
You feel me? I don't even know what I was finna say. I was finna stutter my tail out. But yeah, man. Look good, man. You give me wrist down, you feel me? Like a monster. Brand new. But yeah, man, we going to Cali. We going to Cali next month sometime, y'all. I'm just, you know, let y'all know a little early or whatever. But we take a little trip or whatever. And y'all stay tuned for that, man. It's gonna be something a little different, but we gonna be lit. I promise you. Y'all stay tuned. I told y'all we gonna be doing all type of other stuff on here or whatever. But yeah, man. Besides all that, I know y'all don't like hearing me doing all this talking about other stuff. Praying y'all click this video to watch. You know what I'm saying? Me clean it. You feel me? Well, not me, but my boy Warren clean it or whatever. But I resume it when he put the soap on there or whatever. Y'all see he got that boy soaked down. I just love to look at it like this. I don't know about y'all, but I like looking at it like this. When it's soaked down. It look like a whole new bite. It look like you got a, I don't know. I was gonna say some dumb stuff. Yeah, man, they gonna look sexy. Man, bro, I need to figure out how to put, you know, I need to figure out how to put this dang thing on here. I don't want it up there because, like, when I ride it, when I ride with it on it, it don't show what I wanted to show. I wanted to show, like, you know, the four-wheeler and me. I mean, with me riding the four-wheeler, you know what I'm saying? I don't want it to be showing just the earth, just showing this right here, man. I wanted to show the front end of the four-wheeler type stuff. And I can't put it right here. And if I put it sideways, it's gonna be on some weird stuff. I don't know. Yeah, man. As y'all can see, this the final touch of it. I'm wiping it down and gonna put some tie shine on it. Then I'm gonna grease it, whatever. See what them lights looking like, man. See what them lights looking like, man. Yes, sir. Look at that demon. What we gonna call her? I don't know. Storm looking at. I don't know. We gonna call her son. You feel me? Call her son. But I'm finna grease it up. Like I said, man, my mama done lost my dang boat to my grill. Whatever you wanna call it. Bumper. I'm thinking about a car. But I guess she swept up the garage or tried to sweep the garage or whatever. And I guess they just swept on my boats up or whatever. So it don't matter though. I needed a new one anyway because after the wreck, they just bent in a little bit. Evil got wood all over the ground. Bent in a little bit. See, they can see it just a little bent or whatever. And where my A1 at that I bent? I think, was it this one? Yeah. This is my A1 that I bent. You know what I'm saying? When I wrecked. So right there, I can tell you that it was a pretty hard hit, but I'm still alive. I'm still alive, so we're gonna keep riding, man. You just, man, all I gotta say is just make sure everything on right, tight, you know what I'm saying? Be safe out there, cause at the end of the day, you can lose your life on one of these things, even though it's fun to ride. But, yeah, besides all that, I'm finna grease it up. He finna put some tie shine on it, then I'm gonna pick up the camera, getting one more little quick little ride around the neighborhood. Yeah, I can pop one. Yup.
I know you just turned it on, off, but.
Yup. I can pop one. Go check my YouTube out.
YouTube? What's on YouTube?
P that guy.
Hang on. What is it?
P. There you go, right?
Oh, thanks.
There goes.
Stand on, just grow up and be some.